Today I'm going to tell you about best insurance company in USA. So here I have found Geico is in the best insurance company in USA. The government employees insurance company Geico is an American auto insurance company with headquarters in Chevy Chase, Maryland. It is the second largest auto insurer in the United States after State Farm. Geico is a wholly owned subsidiary of Hathaway that provides coverage for more than 24 million motor vehicles owned by more than 15 million policy holders as of 2017. Geico writes private passenger automobiles insurance in all 50 US states and the District of Columbia. The insurance agency sells policy through local agents called Geico Field. A representative over the phone directly to the consumer via licensed insurance agents, and through their website. Its mascot is a gold dust day gecko with a cockney accent, voiced by English actor Jake Wood from 2005 until his termination due to pay dispute in 2015. Geico is well known in popular culture for its advertisement, having made numerous commercials intended to entertain viewers. So its type subsidiary, Industry Insurance, founded in 1936, and it's been 85 years ago. Founder Leo Goodwin, headquartered in Maryland, United States. Area served United States. Key people Todd Counts. Products auto insurance. Revenue 35.093 billion USD in 2020. Number of employees approximately 40,000. Parent Hathaway. And its website geico.com. Geico also offers property insurance as well as umbrella coverage, which Geico sells, but the risks on the policies are transferred to third-party companies. Geico manages the policy as the insurance agent and has a separate customer care team that handles the property and umbrella policy. Geico was founded in 1936 by Leo Goodwin Sr. and his wife Liam Goodwin to provide auto insurance directly to federal government employees and their families. Since 1925, Goodwin had worked for USAA, an insurer who specialized in insuring only military personnel. He decided to start his own company after rising as far as a civilian could go in USA, military dominated. The Goodwin founded the creation of Geico with 25 USD of their own money and 75,000 USD from Fort Worth, Texas. The best banker, Clever Ria, with legal assistance from future Geico CEO Lorimer Davison, based on Goodwin experience at USS. Geico's original business model was predicted on the assumptions that federal employees as a group would constitute a less risky and more financially stable pool of insured compared to the general public. Despite the presence of the word government in its name, Geico has always been a private corporation not affiliated with any US government or organization. In 1937, the Goodwin relocated Geico from San Antonio, Texas to Washington, D.C. and reincorporated the company as a DC corporation after realizing that their business model would work best in the place with the highest of federal employees. In 1948, the Ria family sold its 75% stake of Geico to a investors, which was led by Benjamin Graham Newman partnership, taking 50% worth 712,000 USD at the time. So I have shared the link of Geico in my description. Please check for more information.